This is how you use the heads-up display on a 2019 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross, if equipped. Heads-up display button right here. Push that button. And the heads-up display pops up for you. And there you can see your 0 miles per hour. The benefit of this is just keeps your eyes just a little bit higher, a little closer to the road ahead of you, instead of looking down. Just a little bit of a safety feature. And if you don't like it, you can easily just close it up and it just disappears. Please subscribe to our Rocky Ridge Auto channel. You can follow us for more tips.